Did you know that 60% of hacked SMEs fold within 6 months and 72% of data breaches in organizations originate from phishing attacks? It's no surprise you're worried about your email's security. Don't worry, Candicore's Exchange Secure gives you the gold standard in email messaging services. Anti-spam and antivirus technologies will keep your mailbox protected from malicious messages, and unlimited storage in our state-of-the-art UK data centres ensures you'll never run out of space. We will even migrate your emails from your current provider, implement the setup, and support you and your team throughout the process. All of our Exchange packages perfectly integrate with Outlook and come with Outlook Online, so you can jump right into a familiar, comfortable inbox on your phone or computer. With email security as standard, you won't need to purchase expensive add-ons to stay protected. Candicore. Don't pay the earth to reach the world. Get in touch today and let's start something new.